Hi, I'm McClellan, also known as the Joy Connector, and I'm here to talk to you today about Hawk Feathers, the 2021 monthly subscription program of self-development. So in month 3, in March, we're going to focus on the topic restoring balance. Now, I specifically want to look at the parts of us that are doing and busy and focused on production in the world, and then the parts of us that are more at rest and more restorative and receiving and magnifying and magnetizing. So it's really what some call our masculine and our feminine sides, but it's all about bringing us into balance. And so I wanted to focus on this topic because from what I have seen in my own life and from what I've seen in my clients in my practice in the past 5 years is we don't have a whole lot of balance. We have some anxiety, we have some fear, we have some worry, we have doubt, we have concern, and we have exhaustion. But to really focus on balance is to bring ourselves into the exact nature of our nature. So the body really focuses, and its whole function is to be in balance. Nature is focused on being in balance and being whole. When we miss parts of ourselves or deny parts of ourselves or neglect parts of ourselves, that's when we're out of balance. That's when we tend to get into illness of one form or another. So the month of March is the month of balance. And I also think it's great that we're just heading into spring at that time too. So it's really this way of looking at our nature and how things shift and change within us and how to work with what is. How to work with what is and how to really utilize the best parts of ourselves. Most of us, from what I can see, have major underutilized skill sets and talents and assets. We might pick up a tool or find a skill set and run with that ball to exhaustion and try to use that one tool to handle all of our lives. And that is definitely going to bring us somewhere to the point of exhaustion pretty quickly. Think about it. If you're going to tap out, right? You're going to exhaust yourself in one particular area. So why not really discover these other parts of ourselves that bring us into an easier flow of life, an easier way to manage life and all the things that we want to do. So let's take a look at restoring balance, our masculine and feminine, in the month of March through the program of Hawk Feathers. And you can jump on board with that for the monthly subscription of $222, or dive into the whole first half of the year for $1,000, or the whole year for $2,000. And you can sign up for that and ask me any questions you need to on this program through my email. That's thejoyconnector@gmail.com. And you can also find more information on my website through joyconnector.com/what-I-offer. So looking forward to having you in class. Let me know what you have for questions. You can post here or in my email. And I'll be back shortly to tell you about April. See you soon.